Hey Makaden, what's up?
Hey Suin, I want to check out the library in Songdo. Can you tell me about it?
You know what? I'm actually at the library right now. Do you want me to tell you how it's like while we're on the phone?
Sure.
Great, let's go in.
This is the Songdo International Library. It is opened on October 30th, 2025. It is a place where books, culture, and new experiences come together. This is not just a place to read, but it is a cultural space where people connect and ideas grow.
I love this place already. What should I tell you first? Oh, Makaden, I think we can't call in this library. I'll just record a video for you. Okay, bye. Bye.
You can get a library card to borrow books here. For more details, visit the Yeonsugu Public Library website. Go to Information Plaza, then Membership Loan Regulations, to find more detailed instructions on how to sign up. You can also use this robot to find book locations or get general help. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, I gotta run! Now let's try borrowing a book. Let's use the kiosk. It supports multiple languages, so it's easy and convenient for everyone. Just follow the instructions on the kiosk and use the card you received at the front desk. Anyone can borrow books very easily. Now let's learn how to return books. You can use this return box or the automated return machine. Just like borrowing, you can just use the kiosk and just follow the instructions on the board. Finally, place your books into the return slot and you're done.
Hey Makaden, I just got off the library and I just sent you all the videos. The library here is amazing, so if you have time, you should definitely check it out. I also heard that you can use the card that you issued here at different libraries at Songdo. For example, like the Hedoji Library and International Children's Library.
We should definitely go to the library together later.
Sure, see you at the library later. Yeah, bye.